As a child, Albert Einstein didn't always fit into the way school expected him to think. While others followed the lesson, his mind was somewhere else. Teachers sometimes saw a difficult student, but inside his head, there were questions nobody else was asking. Years later, Einstein wanted an academic career, but the doors didn't open. Job after job, nothing worked. Instead, he ended up working at a patent office in Switzerland. It wasn't the future he had imagined. And for a while, it probably felt like he had fallen behind. Every day, he examined other people's inventions. And every evening, he returned to his own questions. What is light? What is time? What happens when you move through space? Nobody was giving him those answers. So he kept searching. And then, something strange happened. The job that looked like a setback gave him freedom. He wasn't surrounded by academic expectations. He wasn't trying to impress a professor. He could simply think. And sometimes, being away from the crowd gives you room to hear your own ideas. Then came 1905. Einstein was still sitting in that patent office, still far from the scientific world he wanted to enter. But that year, he published several papers. Ideas about light, space, time, matter. Ideas that would change physics forever. The man who couldn't get the position he wanted was changing the world from the desk he never planned to have. Maybe you're in a place like that right now.
A job you didn't want. A rejection you didn't expect. A path that feels slower than everyone else's. And you're wondering, what am I even doing here? But you don't always know what a chapter is building while you're living it. So don't be too quick to call your life a failure. Some chapters feel like they're taking you backwards until you look back and realize they were preparing you for something bigger. Einstein didn't get the path he wanted. He built something extraordinary from the path he got. And maybe your current chapter isn't the end of your story. Maybe it's where you're becoming the person who can write the next one.